Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well and subscribed. So as you guys can see by the title of the video, today we're going to be doing something very exciting, which is a SHEIN haul. I literally just got my package like 2 hours ago. This is why I'm so, but that's not the point. This is the main character for today's video. So we have got 18 items and I really don't want to waste any more of you guys' time, guys. It is so hot. You see, work season, not in summer, definitely not in summer. Anyway, so let's see what we have here. So this is just a simple dress, as you guys can see. I'm hiding this because I think I'm gonna need nipple covers because the girlies are showing, but I don't know how to feel about it. Like it's just a dress, honestly. Yeah. I needed to be like this. I really wish it was like this. Then I'd be happy. I think I need to take it. This would be perfect. But now this is giving mother of two, and it's not supposed to. Okay, so then we have this. I wanted it in blue. Guys, I'm so disappointed. This dress is so long. Never mind the fact that it's not tight, but it is so long. See, this I think we need to. I'm taking most of my clothes to the tailor because see if it is like this. It would be like, okay, a big fat burger. Whose mom am I? Okay, now this I like. This I don't mind. This is. Let me show you guys the material. It's amazing. It's just like a bit see-through. That's my problem, but so I didn't tie it properly. I struggled to tie it, but this is how it has to look. This is very, very cute. I like it. And I was a bit skeptical, but this is very cute. It's just a bit loose, but yeah. No, I like it.
So this is one of those Skims dupes. I'm not even gonna get into it, but this thing didn't even go past my thighs.
These biker shorts. Don't know how to feel about them, but yeah. Also got this top. This is one of their basics and whatever. Super tight. Quality is amazing. Yeah, I like it. So then I got these shorts. I don't want bum shorts, but these are too long. Maybe if they were, you know, up to here. Like these are giving don't know, maybe it's like a graphic tee it'll work. I really don't know.
Now this top gives exactly what it's supposed to give. Please just look at it, guys. It's a solid 10 out of 10. I really was looking forward to receiving it and seeing how it looks on me, and it did not disappoint. Oh my goodness. I need to go out as soon as possible so I can wear this thing.
And I got this shirt. This is just a, okay, these shorts don't look bad like this. They really don't.
You guys are probably wondering why that shirt. Well, this is one of those that SHEIN forces you to buy in order for you to qualify for a certain discount code. So I was like, you know what? Yo, guys, when I tell you that I was disappointed. I don't know how long I've been meaning to buy this dress. It came and then I don't even want to say anything. Maybe I'll grow to love it, but right now it's a no-no.
So I have this in red and it's a bit tight. Like it's a smaller size than this one. I can only take pictures in it. I can't go out in it because it's so uncomfortable. And this isn't as tight. So it doesn't look as good, but it's definitely comfortable. Yeah, I like it. This is nice. This is a skirt with a little crop top. This is a set. And I don't know how to feel about this. I really don't. Okay, so that was the last item. Yeah, it was a long thing. Also a bit disappointing because most of my clothes are loose. But I always say it's always better to get a bigger size than to get a smaller one because you can always, you know, take it to the tailor and get it fixed. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. If you've made it this far, then you are definitely a real one because I almost quit. It is so hot. I'm tired. Yeah, but thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.